Welcome to Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals, your go-to solution for dumpster rental in Mansfield, Texas. Whether tackling a home renovation, decluttering your garage, or managing a construction site, Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals has everything you need. We offer a range of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. Our dumpsters are clean, durable, and ready to handle all your waste disposal needs. Why choose Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals? It's simple. We pride ourselves on providing top-notch customer service. Our friendly team will help you choose the perfect dumpster size, deliver it right to your doorstep, and pick it up when you're done, all with a smile. We understand the importance of time and efficiency at Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals. That's why we offer flexible rental periods to suit your schedule. Need a last-minute rental? No problem. Our quick and reliable service ensures your project stays on track without hassle. With competitive pricing and no hidden fees, you can clear your clutter without clearing your wallet. Ready to get started? Contact Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals today at 682-2009-101 or visit us online at www.firedogdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Mansfield TX to reserve your dumpster now. Fire Dog Dumpster Rentals, where your clean space is our top priority.